客家风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hey, what's up? It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin, and we got artist Stanley Wei here, who aspires his work to be approachable, just like the song title of this one called Hali Ba Ning. And he also invites Hakka artist Sunday to rap on the song to bring more elements to it. Let's take a listen to this simple yet cool song by Wei Shixiang, Stanley Wei.
爱想笑，所以爱笑。你想叫，总会本感受无效。汉地物界法理文化，对切反复，全部是黑魔 feel。唔中意傲慢态度，形容简单嘅符号，思念轻轻流出。就像爱欣赏你个大家构图。沙定多少题目，多少时间浪费在为感退步。讲啊啦唔啦，通宵啦唔啦，只要做主，哪来安都是命爱太难，不如穷下英雄阿雄。爱想笑，所以爱笑。你想叫，总会本感受无效。汉地物界法理文化推切反复，全部是黑魔 feel。唔中意傲慢态度，形容简单嘅符号，思念轻轻流出。就像爱欣赏你个大家构图，讲东是修图。
魏四祥 Stanley Wei 他希望他自己的作品是平易近人的哦，所以呢，他以口语还有这种浅显易懂的文字来写词，写出了这首《哈里拔宁》，然后呢，还邀请了客家饶舌歌手盛代的演唱 rap 的部分，来带入一个流行的元素，希望大家会喜欢。Hope you like that song there, brought to you by Stanley Wei, again called Hali Ba Ning. I'm Joseph Lin, and we will see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.